start flying down. Steelers win it 27-23. The handshake between Mike Tomlin, Ken Whisenhunt. And then this was a nice touch. Broadway Joe bringing out the Super Bowl trophy. He almost didn't make it through the Steelers, though. He needed a lead blocker. And then when the trophy finally made it up, everybody enjoyed it for the Steelers up on the platform. The ownership, the Rooneys, Ben Roethlisberger, and the